Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at how to use Pages as a brainstorming or mind mapping tool. I'm going to open up a Pages document and I'm going to choose the landscape option because it's going to give me a little bit more space. We're going to be working with bubble maps, which allows to compare and contrast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push on the plus button and then I'm going to go to basic objects and select the circle. Then what I can do at this point is I can actually put the two things that I'm going to compare and contrast next to each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the circle and make another circle, and those will be the two objects that we are going to be comparing. Now I'm going to select an object, push on the paintbrush and select a color with which to fill it. This will allow me to easily differentiate between the two objects that I'm comparing and contrasting. At this point we need to create more circles, so all I'm going to do is tap on the object and copy it, and then tap on the screen and paste it, and I'm going to create enough of these circles so that I'll be able to create the basic structure of my bubble map. So I'm going to continue now to create the basic structure of the bubble map, and it requires me to put the differences of the two objects I'm comparing on the outside and the similarities in the middle, and then of course I can color code these similarities and differences so that they make a little bit more sense and I can see which are the similarities and which are the differences. So all I'm doing here is I'm copying and pasting the circles, and then I'm editing the colors by hitting the paintbrush and choosing the fill option and then choosing the relevant color. So once I've done this, I need to insert lines so that I can connect everything on my bubble map, and so that my bubble map actually makes sense and I can see what is the same and what is different. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to push the plus button and I'm going to go to basic and I'm going to select lines. From here I'm just going to use my finger to move the line around to where I need it to be, and from here I can just copy and paste that line to create more lines and to link everything together. So now I'm going to add the text that I need to add to all my circles so that I can see what exactly it is that I'm comparing and contrasting and what the similarities and differences are. All I'm going to do is just tap on the circle and it'll allow me to add a text box, and I can type in what I need to type in there. So once you've completed this and you've added all the text, you'll be able to see the similarities and the differences between the objects you're comparing. If you would like to do a live collaboration, you can hit the little man in the top right hand corner and it'll ask you to move the document to iCloud. So what you do is you go to the documents menu, you select the document, and then what you do is you send it to iCloud, and there you will be able to access it from iCloud, and you'll be able to collaborate with anybody who would like to collaborate with you live on this particular document. That's all there is to it, guys. Good luck.